So the things to consider for any purchasing person really with regard to buying the iX industrial connector from Harting. Firstly, there's two different products. One is a PCB connector which goes onto the circuit board. Obviously this is delivered in a tape and reel form, so pick and place machines can use that within any production environment. The other benefit of the iX Industrial from Harting would be the field termination IDC, insulation displacement technology, which is for the mating plug connector. So this can be done with a suitable hand tool, and you can do this out in the field. You can also make up cable assemblies within in-house as well. The product comes as IP20 as a standard. This is because it will follow the format of the RJ45, which has been synonymous with the industrial Ethernet for many years. The IP20 standard relates to the performance with regard to ingress of dust or moisture. Now IP20 is a very basic standard, and obviously it's not waterproof or anything like that. Harting for the iX industrial range do have plans for the future to bring out IP65, IP67, which will be dust and waterproof going forward for truly industrial applications which are harsher environments. The physical size of an RJ45 connector has inherently been sort of quite small. The new iX Industrial from Harting is 70% smaller for the PCB half, so there's a huge reduction in real estate area that you need on a printed circuit board. The other benefits of this particular product are it's really good for high mating cycles, so it's good for 5,000 mating cycles. And one of the inherent problems of the old RJ45 was the plastic latch. It was always, invariably it would break and snap off, which then made the actual connection almost useless because you could then pull the RJ45 out. We use two metal latches on this particular product, so it is mechanically more robust and more good for connection between the two halves. Also for the PCB half, when you hold it down onto the circuit board, there are 5 hold down positions which go through the board and will actually mechanically robustly hold it down to the circuit board. Another one of the advantages of it is the high speed of data that you can put through the system. It can go up to 10 gigabits per second, and there's Cat 6A performance level. So again, it's exactly the same as the RJ45. It's just that the physical size is much smaller. So the applications for RJ45 connector are boundless. They are billions of connections around the world. The benefit of using the iX Industrial from Harting is its physical size. Where we have video cameras for inspection on the production line, these have been decreasing in size for many years. And now the RJ45 is a big connector which is on the size of the actual camera for the inspection and the checking of components going down the production line. So the cameras can become much smaller, and these are obviously very make sure that the cost is also there and it's reduced as well for the physical size of the product. Other applications would be on an HMI for machinery, human machine interface, where you can connect all your data connections from the machine back into the network. So the iX Industrial Connector from Harting has been around now for a little while, and we have good stocks of this product. We are also never stand still. We are also trying to bring out the new products within the iX range. These include the different formats, how they attach to the circuit board. We have the vertical jack, the letterbox one, the horizontal jack. So we can have all the different types of product that will become available. We will also have the new IP rated versions, which will come as IP65, 67. So if you want to keep up to date with all the new products that will be available shortly, then please just sign up to the newsletter.